Hello everyone, this is a brief check-in video for week 3 of the course. Um, this is the last reading in the first part of the course, Bruckner and Fisher's Why is Death Bad? After reading this, we'll finish the first part of the course and it'll be time to write your first essay. Let me just make sure we all know where that is. The first essay assignment is right here. It's due February 13th. And please watch the video in which I discuss the essay assignment. Also, just make sure that when you open the Canvas site, I hope this is what you see. You see announcements, and then you scroll down the page, and you'll see that the review videos for the study questions are released once we're finished with the week that was spent on that reading, those study questions. So I just opened up the Nagel study question review. I think that would be quite valuable for you to watch those review videos. I do not give feedback on individual study question submissions from students. What I do is I make a video in which I discuss what I consider the right answers to be. And then it's up to you to compare your answers with what I say in the video. I think that is something that you should do just because you want to get a better handle on the material, especially for writing your essays. But these should come in handy also for studying for the final exam. So just to let you know, we've got the essay coming up. There is a video in which I discuss the essay. And you should know that I do have these review videos, which I open up as the semester goes on. We are talking about Bruckner and Fisher's Why is Death Bad? And if you look at the videos, I think you'll see, if I'm not mistaken, that there is a separate video that just discusses the general question of the asymmetry problem. I have to wait for it to load to make sure. There should be a playlist coming up on YouTube at any moment. Or maybe not. Yeah, if you see the first video there, I just talk about the asymmetry problem without really any specific reference to Bruckner and Fisher's essay. It's actually crucial. It's absolutely crucial that you have a handle on what the asymmetry problem is, that you be able to describe what the purported problem is. So you can think that coming out of this reading, the three fundamentals are: what is the asymmetry problem? You should be able to explain that. What would it mean to solve the asymmetry problem? That is, what would constitute a solution to the asymmetry problem? And then lastly, what is Bruckner and Fisher's proposed solution to the asymmetry problem? Those are two different things, like the general nature, what would it mean to solve the problem, and then their particular solution to the problem. Those three things: what the asymmetry problem is, what a solution to it would be, in the sense of what would a solution, generally speaking, look like. Sorry. I'm just going to have to let it ring. Sorry about that. Sorry about the phone ringing. So what is the asymmetry problem? What would it mean to solve it? And what is the particular solution from Bruckner and Fisher? Those three fundamentals you should feel really comfortable on coming out of this reading. The asymmetry problem is really something that was hinted at in Nagel, but not really fully developed. This challenge from Epicurus's position, that if we are to regret the not existing after death, we should also regret not having existed before birth. This is something that was kind of suggested by Nagel and a kind of solution, but as you'll see, Bruckner and Fisher reject Nagel's solution. They don't really. So I think you really need to make good use of the videos this week. It is kind of a tough reading, but it's definitely doable. But the videos should help. So This is the last reading in the first part of the course. We will move on after this to a new subject, a new take on things. But you should be thinking about that first essay assignment. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to check in with me.